The word of the day is
riba, 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 mesa, riba, mesa, la riba, la riba.
For more information on how you can learn Cabo Verdeano, visit us on Facebook at Learn Cabo Verdeano or email us at learncaboverdeano@gmail.com.